Well, I've got another video for you, something brand new. I'm at the Sawgrass Market. It's a Wednesday. Why am I here today? Well, I can tell you, new restaurants are opened up. Today is the opening day of the new restaurants. Let's take a look. Papa Joe's is not open yet, but Sizzle and Smash is open. Southern tender, crispy, and juicy chicken, as you can see, is open, and it looks pretty good. So, two of the restaurants are open, and I'm sure there's more to come. Let's take a look at the food.
Absolutely. It's always so hard. With the double breading, you don't have that.
So you still have the provisions. Whatever's going into the butcher shop is not open as of yet. The bar is still here for everybody that comes here, gets a drink. And then you have Luma, that's been here a little while. That I tried a couple of months ago, and it is pretty good. And my daughter's favorite, Darlin's Sweet Shop, is definitely still here. Hello. So if you ever want a sweet treat, Darlin's is the place. But we now have Sizzle and Smash and chicken tenders. Well, I changed my mind. I decided to go ahead and get something to eat. Okay, so here goes. Got a little coleslaw. Got my honey mustard. I'm eating here in the Sawgrass Marketplace. Hopefully the music's not too loud, otherwise I will edit this a little. But here we go. There is the 3-piece chicken tenders for a pretty reasonable price. $8.99 with the coleslaw. Yeah, I would say that's a good price. Let's give it a taste test and see how it is. Got my piece. Crispy. Very good. So come to Sawgrass, give it a try. I'm trying it. The smash burger looks pretty good too. I would recommend coming down to Sawgrass and trying out the new restaurants. Thanks for watching.